Premium quality professional facial Goji treatment. The strong antioxidant power of organically grown goji berry extract, combined with other natural ingredients, make this an optimal treatment for the skin. Prepare the client to receive Casmara's Goji treatment. The natural properties of goji berries, beetroot betaines, honey, avocado oil, and shea butter prevent the skin from premature aging. Skin preparation. Before starting a Casmara treatment, the use of the multifunction premium quality facial cleansers collection is highly recommended. They are based on natural active principles which balance and protect the integrity of the skin's natural flora. Cleanse or remove makeup from eyes and skin with one of the 3 multifunction Casmara cleansers, depending on skin type. Balance or green tea, both for all skin types, and delicate, specially indicated for the most sensitive skin types. Then rinse with plenty of water. The result is clean and hydrated skin. Phase 1. Antioxidant and Balancing Cleanser. Antioxidant and Balancing Cleanser with goji berry extract provides skin with natural vegetable oils. Apply directly on the skin and using the fingertips or a damp gauze, perform a light circular massage or rub with the same gauze from 2 to 5 minutes to facilitate cleansing. Rinse with plenty of water. Phase 2. Stimulating ampoule. Fluid concentrate with goji berry extract and essential amino acids. Apply over the chest area, neck and face, including the eye area. Perform an active and stimulating massage from 5 to 8 minutes until completely absorbed. If conductive devices are used, brush over chest area, neck and face with Casmara's Nanogel Meso treatment. This concentrate stimulates the production of collagen fibers and elastin, preventing premature aging. Phase 3 and 4. Hydration Bath. Mix phases 3 and 4 in a small container into a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture over face, neck, and chest area with a soft brush and cover with osmotic film. Leave on for a minimum of 5 minutes. Aside from goji berries, this emulsion contains honey, beetroot betaines, macadamia oil, avocado, and shea butter, all of them containing hydrating, antioxidant, and protective properties. Remove the film and massage the emulsion until completely absorbed. Phase 5. Goj Mask 2070. Empty the gel and powder contents in that order into a bowl. Stir both contents together briskly with a spatula for about 30 seconds, forming a smooth paste. Apply the mask upwards over the desired area without delay, as it will start to set 4 minutes after the mixture is blended. Lips and eyes may be covered as well. Leave the mask on from 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask downwards and in one piece. Goj Mask 2070 is a Casmara mask with quinoa and goji berries containing antioxidants with stimulating properties and barrier effect reinforcers. Phase 6. Antioxidant Nourishing Cream. Creamy phase that contains this product line's fundamental ingredients and completes the professional Goji skin treatment. Spread a small amount of the cream evenly onto the skin. Due to its countless properties and great antioxidant power, Casmara's dermocosmetic laboratories create the authentic Goji treatment. Once finished, give the rest of the vial to the client in order to continue the treatment. Casmara offers you 3 unique daily use products of the premium quality Facial Essentials product line. Goji Complex for all skin types, Hydro Goji for normal and combination skin, and Nutri Goji for dry and normal skin. The Himalayan Superfruit, a natural source that helps fight against the first signs of aging in the most natural way.